Hi, I am with the Rockwell team. I would like to ask all of you gentlemen, what are your impressions about this exhibition? Starting with you, Mr. Kumar.
Yeah, first of all, it is very well organized, and I'm impressed with the crowd and exhibitors, quality of exhibitors. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Pradeep.
Yeah. First of all, I appreciated the civil body which created this infrastructure in Pune, and mainly the focus exhibition. What you are there, you are also initiated take the initiative to organize this kind of things. Though it's a first time, there is some lacunas are there. That next time definitely you can take care. But this type of exhibition will help us in our industry to show our capability, and end user also came to know what are the things are available in the industry, what are the trends are going on this. Thanks. Meet you next time.
It's a good exhibition. We had a lot of customer base flowing in. I think it's a good thing for the automotive industry. But at the same time, I also believe for the principal sponsors and the co-sponsors, you need to give a lot more.